Hello everyone! Here is a cute crossover hairstyle. I create 6 small square sections in the middle. I mostly used soft hair ties so I can easily remove them when I cross the strands over. I connect each strand with opposite one from next row and tie it up with elastic. Now I make the braids from 2 sides. Then I create a high ponytail. Now, cross the strands from the middle top section and tie them underneath the ponytail. Then I do the same for braids. I noticed that I left one strand on the right side. I will tie it up together with braids. Now it's all done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Follow our Instagram Days with Maggie for more hairstyles.